Beneath the waves, we often think the biggest creatures rule. But hidden in coral reefs is a tiny animal with a weapon more powerful, pound for pound, than any giant. Meet the pistol shrimp, a creature no bigger than your finger, yet capable of unleashing a force as loud as a jet engine and nearly as hot as the sun's surface. This isn't science fiction. The pistol shrimp is a real marvel, a testament to nature's ingenuity. Instead of brute strength, it wields physics itself, using a single, oversized claw as a biological firearm. In the bustling world of the reef, survival depends on this claw, a weapon honed by evolution to unleash devastating shockwaves. The pistol shrimp's story is about how the smallest creatures can wield the most astonishing power. It thrives in shallow tropical waters, building burrows and navigating a world where every animal must fight to eat and avoid being eaten. As we dive into its world, we'll uncover how this tiny titan dominates its environment. The pistol shrimp is proof that the most dramatic roles in nature aren't always played by the largest actors. Sometimes the ocean's true powerhouse is the one you'd never expect. The pistol shrimp belongs to a diverse family found in warm oceans worldwide, often living alongside goby fish. At first glance, it looks ordinary: segmented body, long antennae, and walking legs. But one claw is grotesquely oversized, sometimes half its body length, and it's the source of its explosive power. This claw isn't just for pinching, it's a two-part mechanism, like a cocked gun, storing energy with a latch system. When ready, the shrimp can hold this position, waiting for prey or rivals to come close. Living in burrows, the shrimp often partners with goby fish. The goby acts as lookout, while the shrimp maintains their shared home. They communicate by touch. A flick of the goby's tail warns the shrimp of danger. This partnership lets the shrimp focus on using its weapon, confident in its safety. The claw's design is a masterpiece of evolution, multiplying muscle force into a devastating snap. The pistol shrimp's world is one of patience, precision, and explosive action. In the reef's chaos, this tiny titan is always ready to strike. When the pistol shrimp strikes, it releases the latch on its claw, unleashing stored energy in a millisecond, faster than a blink. The claw's plunger slams shut, not to hit prey, but to shoot a jet of water at over 100 kilometers per hour. This jet is the shrimp's true weapon, a marvel of natural engineering. The sound we hear isn't from the claw itself, but from what happens next. The shrimp can aim this watery projectile with surprising accuracy, targeting prey, predators, or rivals. This rapid-fire mechanism transforms potential energy into a precise kinetic attack. The pistol shrimp is a tiny gunslinger, using speed and physics to survive. In the underwater world, it's not size that matters. It's the power of a perfect snap. The pistol shrimp's real secret isn't the snap, but the bubble it creates. As the water jet shoots out, pressure drops so low that a vapor bubble forms, a process called cavitation. This bubble, filled with water vapor, expands and then collapses violently as surrounding water rushes in. The implosion generates a powerful shockwave, not the jet or the claw, that stuns or kills prey. For a split second, temperatures inside the bubble reach nearly 4,700 degrees Celsius, almost as hot as the sun's surface. The collapse also produces a flash of light, a phenomenon called sonoluminescence, a tiny star born and gone in a microsecond. The shrimp has weaponized physics using heat, light, and a concussive force to hunt. All this happens within centimeters, in just microseconds. The pistol shrimp doesn't need to touch its prey. Its invisible wave of force does the work. It's a hunting strategy that turns the laws of nature into a deadly advantage. For small fish or crustaceans near a pistol shrimp's burrow, the attack is sudden. A sharp crack, then an invisible hammer. The shockwave can stun, disable, or kill, letting the shrimp drag prey home with ease. It's a brutally effective way for a small predator to take down larger or faster animals. But the shrimp's weapon isn't just for hunting. It's also for defense and communication. A warning snap can scare off predators or settle disputes with rival shrimp. These duels echo through the reef, each snap a display of power. The shrimp's weapon is versatile, allowing it to hunt, defend, and communicate from the safety of its burrow. It doesn't need to risk itself in close combat. It lets physics do the work. This explosive adaptation has made pistol shrimp successful and widespread. Observing one in action is to witness a master of patience and precision. With a single snap, it secures a meal, deters threats, or claims its territory. For the pistol shrimp, this power is the key to survival in the ocean's endless drama. The pistol shrimp's snap is astonishingly loud, up to 220 decibels, louder than a gunshot or even a jet engine. If we could hear underwater-like marine life, a single snap would be deafening. Colonies of pistol shrimp create a constant crackling sound, easily heard by divers. During World War II, this noise even interfered with submarine sonar, masking enemy vessels with a sound like frying bacon. The energy released is immense. While the heat and light are microscopic, the acoustic shock radiates far. This wall of sound can disorient prey and predators, adding another layer to the shrimp's arsenal. The pistol shrimp's snaps are a major part of the ocean's soundscape, alongside whale songs and dolphin clicks. The ocean is far from silent. Its background chorus is shaped by these tiny cannoneers. Among all the sounds, the pistol shrimp's explosive pop stands out as one of the most dramatic. The pistol shrimp is a testament to nature's ingenuity, a tiny creature that mastered physics instead of brute force. Its claw is a marvel of evolution, a biological cavitation gun refined over generations. This shrimp creates temperatures hotter than the sun and flashes of light, all within its own body. It blurs the line between biology and physics, showing that nature's inventions can rival our own. With its unique weapon, the pistol shrimp thrives in one of Earth's most competitive ecosystems. It hunts, defends, and communicates, all with a single explosive snap. Success in nature isn't always about size. Sometimes it's about perfecting a unique advantage. The pistol shrimp is a giant slayer, a tiny titan whose mastery of physics commands respect. Its explosive crack is more than a sound. It's the triumphant mark of a true master engineer.